this. There's a little stinging though, but I use this when I'm cleaning my face really well. Because one of the last steps I take before I put on my moisturizer.
But I'm moving on. This is my matte Fix Plus Prep and Prime. Ever since I moved to Colombia, MAC, and then I found out how they test on animals and yada yada yada. And then one day, I really needed primer because I think we might have been going on a cruise or something. I'm not really sure. And then my stepmom, my mom, Sandra, she was just like, just use mine. I have a whole bottle of just ink. Come to find out, some hats. I did what I had to do, and don't get me wrong, it doesn't mean I don't care. Because I went and also bought my little Melanie. And I like that stuff too. So it's just sort of used to this. My mom got me these beautiful brushes, but they don't have any labels on them. But I am using FentyBeauty Madeleine filter, and I will be using her Pro Filter Longwear Foundation. I'm sorry, and the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. My eyebrows to me show up kind of black, and I know you have brown eyebrows, you should not put black on your eyebrows, but honey, I mixed the two. This is just a small one. They're both brown, the same color, I think. To be real, this one darker, but I've had this one longer, so maybe that's why. But I've been doing it for years, and it works just fine. I know I need my eyebrows done, but I'm doing the best I can with my brows. Because like I said, COVID stopping everything. And when I say everything, I mean everything. So, y'all, I'm so lonely. Oh, like I was telling y'all before, I found it. Okay, I was telling you earlier, Black Opal. I use this too. That's what was really weird. I was like, dang, should I try this one today, or should I use this one today, or should I mix them? I might mix them just to see how it looks, because you know, the sun is out, it's hot now, so some things may look, you know, a little off. I want everything to look right and not as if I'm like a clown trying to wear some light makeup, knowing good and well I'm darker than that. No, I mixed the two. This is just a small one. They're both brown, the same color. I think. Try not to do dramatic brows, but with my eyebrows looking dramatic, as in aka hot mess, I don't really have a choice. The whole point of this thing here, you know, learn for me to teach people some of the things that I know, being able to do or not to do. That's just what it's about, learning from each other. I do my makeup a certain way, do yours a certain way. But I like dark brows. Not too dark, but I like when it matches the color of my hair. If I'm wearing a wig that's lighter tone, I'm gonna use lighter brows. I'm not gonna use dark brows. I mean, I do see people when they have blonde hair to do brown, but I mean, obviously we're not natural blondes, so. And it looks cute still. Okay, This is Black Radiance again. This is Ruby Kisses hair store. You already know. I got this honestly from Amazon, but you probably can find this in Walmart or the hair store. LA girl, Pro Conceal. Honestly, I like to get the ends first, and then I go back and chisel. I get a rag. It's a clean rag, but it's like when I'm using the pads for makeup or whatever, and put alcohol on it, and just that way you're able to clean certain brushes if you know you're gonna need it again. What I gotta do is blend it out. Blend. Really gotta do that. I don't like seeing girls. I really it's not blended. It's clear as day, and I know you see it. So what's the problem? You think you can skip that step? Ma'am. No, ma'am. And what I just grabbed was not concealer. It was foundation, but black opal. Like I'm gonna pick up some foundation at the same time to give me a shading effect. Go back in with a little bit more setting powder. I have a small eyelid space and I haven't learned how to really get it yet. I have this Morphe palette that my sister got me for Christmas. It's Morphe 39L Hit the Lights. I'm not gonna say that. That was rude. I'm not gonna say that it's not great. But this section over here I don't like personally. Outside. You know that TikTok? insert some pictures. This is the finished look. It's coming out really light, but I promise y'all I don't look like a clown. But I will put pictures up so you can see how I really look. Once I figure this stuff out, we're gonna be good to go. And just comment and subscribe to my channel down below.